bumili ng ring light sa Shopee? Anong ring light ang mura lang pero maayos ang quality? Mahirap ba itong i-assemble? Ano pa dapat ang kasama ng ring light or mga inclusions nito pag bumili ka? Kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan ako nakabili ng flat type bulb of ring light sa Shopee, then please keep watching this video. Yeah. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori Lindsay, and in today's video, i-share ko sa inyo yung honest thoughts ko kung worth it bang bumili ng ring light sa Shopee. This video is also gonna be a review and unboxing video of the flat type bulb ring light. Yang nasa likod ko, ayan yung binili ko. Share ko sa inyo kung bakit flat type bulb of ring light ang binili ko instead of the normal or yung bulb na type of ring light. So, if you're interested on my ring light review and want to see the unboxing, then please keep watching this video. So guys, that was the unboxing clip of my ring light or flat type bulb ring light. And nakita niyo naman na it was really wrapped well in bubble wrap. The boxes are quite in good condition. Okay din yung pagkakapackage sa kanya, no damage at all with the ring light and the inclusions. So, this ring light is actually my very first purchase sa Shopee. It was paid or the mode of payment is through COD or cash on delivery. Dito ko na siya binayaran pagka-deliver sa bahay mismo. First of all, I'm gonna talk about kung magkano ba yung ring light na to. So, all in all, 310 pesos kasama na yung shipping fee. Although, ang original price nito na nakalagay sa Shopee or dun sa shop na pinagbilhan ko is 1,698 pesos. Pero, nakasale siya at lowest price guaranteed, which made it only 297 pesos. However, pagkasama yung shipping fee is 115 pesos, pero gumamit ako ng free shipping voucher or yung voucher na makakabawas ng 100 pesos sa shipping fee mo, kaya imbes na 115 pesos yung shipping fee, bale 15 pesos na lang dapat yung shipping fee. And I also used another voucher that would minus 2 pesos from the shop. It's a shop voucher. Ginamit ko rin siya para makabawas rin ng 2 pesos kasi sayang naman nakita ko yung voucher doon. So, ginamit ko rin siya. So, all in all, naging 310 pesos na lang yung total na babayaran ko instead of 412 pesos na dapat original na babayaran ko without using the free shipping or discount sa shipping voucher. 310 pesos na lang or pwede na rin i-round off sa 300 pesos yung bili ko sa ring light. By the way, the size of this ring light is 10 inches or 26 centimeters. Of course, the price is not bad at all. Sobrang mura lang, 300 pesos instead of buying 1,000 pesos worth ng ring light. So, malaki yung nakuha kong discount and murang-mura ko siyang nabili for this kind of good quality naman siya. It's really working well. I'm going to show a sample of how it works. So, this kind of ring light or this type of ring light really fits people like me na medyo matipid at ayaw talaga gumastos ng bongga para sa ring light and para sa vlogging equipment. If you're also interested in buying a ring light like this, I will put the link of the Shopee shop or the Shopee item down below in the description box. Please check it out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. So, my purchase of this ring light had 3 inclusions. First is the ring light or yung bilog ng ring light mismo. Tapos, yung phone holder, nakahiwalay talaga to. And the tripod which is umaabot ng 2 meters or 2.1 meters, I think. Ayan yung tripod. So, these are the inclusions or the 3 main inclusions na dapat kasama ng ring light mo. So, the box of the ring light is this. Flat type bulb yung ring light. It's not a normal ring light, which is yung bulb type talaga. I actually requested the seller for this kind of ring light na flat type bulb kasi ayoko masyado ng bulky. Feeling ko bulky yung ring light. Feeling ko mababasag ko siya or feeling ko it's too wide or it's too fluffy, ganun. Instead, I preferred this one na kahit na manipis lang siya, it still gives the ring light quality that I need. Liwanag din yung light niya. Halos wala rin naman siyang pinagkaiba sa bulb type of ring light. That's why I chose this kind of ring light, which is a flat bulb type of ring light. Madali lang naman siya even though na walang kasamang guide. Yung package or yung item mismo, items, kayang-kaya talaga siya i-assemble kahit walang instructions na kasama sa package. Again, the size of the ring light is 10 inches or 26 centimeters. So, hindi siya ganun kalaki syempre. Kasi mura lang naman siya. Kung gusto mo ng mas malaking ring light, it is more expensive or mas mataas yung presyo niya. Pero for me, as a beginner vlogger pa lang naman or beginner in YouTube as a YouTuber, okay na sa akin yung kahit maliit lang na ganyan kalaking ring light. So guys, I'm gonna show you how this ring light works and kung anong itsura niya pag umiilaw, ano rin itsura niya pag ginamit ko as a ring light mismo or anong effect niya sa camera. I'm gonna show you the 3 color variants of this ring light, which is, karamihan naman ng ring light is 3 variants talaga, which is the white, yellow, and mixture of white and yellow. Cord niya is USB type, so dapat meron kang adapter mo kasi wala naman siyang kasamang adapter, pero yung saksakan niya is USB type. So gagamitin ko na lang yung adapter ng phone ko. So pag nasaksak niyo na siya sa plug or sa extension, iilaw dapat yung switch or yung pindutan, mga pindutan ng ring light mo. To turn it on, you just need to click on this red power on sa pinakababa. Let's try. This is the color of mixture of yellow and white. Tapos, if you want to change it, you need to click on the middle button, which is switch to other variants. This is the white variant of ring light or light. And this is the yellow variant. Meron siyang plus sign and minus sign dito sa baba, which means kung gano'n nyo gusto kaliwanag yung ring light nyo, kung gusto nyo pang mas maliwanag, click the plus sign. So, yan, nasa pinakamaliwanag na ata siya. Pero kung bababaan yung brightness, is click nyo lang yung baba. Ayan, humihina na siya. Ayan. Yan yung pinakamababa na light ng ring light, which is 1. So, pwede siyang 10 clicks. So, 10 times yung pwede i-click yung plus and minus sign kung gano'ng kaliwanag. So, ito yung pinaka hindi maliwanag. Tapos, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan na yung maximum ng maximum brightness niya. Turn it off, you just need to click on the power button ulit. So guys, that's my unboxing and review of the ring light that I bought on Shopee. Gamit ko na siya ngayon. Ito yung ring light na ilaw niya mismo. And I can say na worth it talaga siya as my first Shopee purchase. O kahit na 300 pesos lang siya, maganda yung quality niya. Nabibigay naman niya yung ilaw na kailangan ko for YouTube or for videos. Very useful siya and mabilis din dumating yung package or yung item ko from Shopee or from the Shopee store. Don't forget, I'll put the link down below of this item if you want to purchase it as well, if you're also from the Philippines. So guys, that's it for this unboxing and review video of the ring light that I bought on Shopee. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any video suggestions or questions. Comment down below nyo na rin if you prefer a flat bulb type of ring light like mine or the normal bulb type ring light and why. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.